everyone. This elegant utensil caddy requires only one item from Walmart, which is the diamond ornament. Everything else is from Dollar Tree. 4 candle holders, 1 glass chopping board, 4 stainless steel chopper scrapers, 4 napkin rings, 1 over-the-counter towel bar, diamond wrap, E6000 adhesive, and a glue gun. Getting started, I applied diamond wrap around each napkin ring, adhering it with my glue gun. I will now apply diamond wrap around the midsection of each glass candle holder. I'm using E6000 for a strong adhesive. It takes a little longer to dry and cure, therefore I use the glue gun also for an almost immediate hold while I work on the remainder of the project. Here I'm making sure the diamond wrap is in the exact placement on each candle holder. It is now time to glue my stainless steel chopper scrapers to the glass chopping board using E6000 only. I make sure to spread the adhesive evenly on the scraper so it adheres to the chopping board smoothly. Make certain all scrapers are as even as possible on the chopping board. You may measure with the ruler, but I just winged it. I placed weight on top of the scrapers as I waited for the E6000 to bond for about 20 minutes. I decided to add diamond wrap at the bottom of each glass candle holder for added embellishment, which really helped in the final look of this piece. I will now disassemble this stainless steel over the cabinet towel bar purchased from Dollar Tree. I'm using the smallest bar, which will have the diamond ornament adhered to one end. I'm adding diamond wrap to add to the elegance of this bar. Later in the video, you will see that I added even more. Now that everything is completely bonded and cured, I'm adding diamond wrap to each open corner to cover the exposed glass on the chopping board. For foot support, I'm gluing the napkin rings to the bottom of the caddy with E6000 and my glue gun. I let the glue set weighted down for at least 20 minutes. I'm using acetone to remove the black ruler increments off the scraper. Once they were removed, I cleaned the stainless steel with a cleaner. Now it's time to glue each candle holder to the caddy. I first check for placement, and then I glue each with E6000 and the glue gun. They are then weighted down with a heavy book and a hand weight. After the glue has bonded for about 20 minutes, it's time to remove the hand weight and the heavy book and observe the beautiful utensil caddy and how well it has turned out. But there's one finishing touch, and that's the magic wand, which will be placed in the center of the caddy with E6000 and my glue gun. Here is the completed look of my budget-friendly, beautiful, elegant utensil caddy. This eye-catching piece will definitely draw attention while entertaining your guests. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of my DIY ideas, please subscribe, like, and comment below. See you in the next video. God bless.